Hi guys, welcome to my video today. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you're new to my channel, my name's Molly and thank you so much for being here. Today I'm going to be making a keto chaffle. So if you've been around my channel before, you know I do lots of keto recipes, lots of low carb recipes as well, keep things healthy. Everything's nice and simple. So today I'm going to be making a delicious chocolate keto chaffle. So a chaffle is like a waffle. It's made in a waffle maker. I have a little mini dash waffle maker that I love, but you can also use just a regular waffle maker. But so this one is gonna be chocolate because who doesn't love a really healthy chocolate treat? So I'm going to be I use monk fruit sweetener. It's a 0-calorie sweetener. Coconut flour and a chaffle. It's called a chaffle because there's cheese in it, and really you can't taste the cheese, but it makes it all kind of bind together. So good, and it keeps it low carb and keto. So some shredded mozzarella cheese, some cocoa powder, a little bit of baking soda. I have a couple eggs, and then I have some coconut oil that I will melt. And this will be an awesome little treat to have. So good. I will put the ingredients and the measurements all in the description box, so check that out. If you're new to my channel, make sure you click the subscribe button below and then click the bell button next to that, and you'll get a notification each time I post a new video. Lots of keto-friendly videos, lots of low carb if you are trying to cut some carbs out. I have tons of recipes for you, so check those out on my channel. I have lots of playlists, lunch meal prepping, breakfast meal prepping, keto snacks. So check all those out and let me know what you think of everything else on my channel. So I will get this awesome chocolate keto chaffle ready to go. All right, you guys, so this is my mini little dash waffle maker. I love the little leopard print. So this is awesome. It is preheating right now. It's getting pretty hot, but it's non-stick, and so I don't have to use any cooking spray. The chaffle will just pop right out because of the non-stick surface, so I love this. I got it on Amazon, so I will link it in the description box if you guys want one. It comes in multiple different colors: white, black, silver, red, but I just love this cute little leopard one. So it has a blue light right here that it is warming up, getting ready to go. So it's awesome. So I'm going to make all of the chaffle and then we'll put it in the little waffle maker. So I have a 1/4 cup of coconut flour. I have a 1/4 cup of cocoa. And then the cheese, a 1/4 cup of mozzarella. I do finely shredded. So that's what makes this a chaffle. 2 tablespoons of monk fruit sweetener. I have a 1/4 cup of melted coconut oil, or you can use melted butter as well. And then I have my baking soda. I have a 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. I'm gonna do a little dash of salt. And then I'm going to add in my 2 eggs. And then I will just whisk this all up, and it'll be a nice little batter that will start making our chaffles. Okay, so it's almost like a brownie batter. So good, all nice and mixed. So I have my chaffle maker all nice and heated up. So I'm just gonna put a little bit. This is gonna make like 3 or 4 chaffles. So I'm going to take some, add it in, a little bit more on the side. And then this is just gonna take a few minutes to cook. In the light, it's blue right now. It'll tell me when it's done, and they really only take like 2 or 3 minutes. All right, so super quick, and it looks like a little chocolate waffle. So I am just gonna pop this out, and like I said, I love the non-stick. So this perfect little waffle, so awesome. I'm gonna make a few more of these, and then I like to add on a little bit of whipped cream on top also, and it makes these such a nice little dessert. Super healthy, you guys. So I'm gonna make a few more of these. All right, so this fun keto chocolate snack, they're all done. They are really good, you guys. Like I said earlier, you can add a little bit of whipped cream on top. It makes it a really good, yummy dessert and pretty healthy too. So that's awesome. Like I said earlier, I'm gonna link this little mini waffle maker or chaffle maker. Got it on Amazon. It's awesome. So I will link it in the description box, so check that out. I will also put the recipe for these. They are so good. If you need a little chocolate fix but want to stay healthy or stay keto, low carb, these are awesome. And you can make a big batch and then you can toast them in the toaster just like a frozen waffle, and you can reheat them that way. They're really good, you guys. So really awesome snack. So I hope that you enjoyed this one. If you are new to my channel, click subscribe and click the bell button next to subscribe. You'll get a notification when I post a new video. Lots of new videos coming up. If you have been around my channel, you know I love to do tons of meal prepping. So lots of meal preps on the way, so check them all out. Lots of breakfast, lunch, and I've also got lots of dinner ideas coming up. So hope that you guys enjoy all of these, and I will see you all next time. Have a really great day. Bye-bye.